How to make this beautiful one shoulder sweetheart top. I'll fold my pattern into two. Mark shoulder measurement divided by 2. Slant it down by 1 inch. Move now to my armhole depth. Take round armhole divided by 2 and mark it up. After that, I will mark neck depth and neck width of 3 by 3 inch. Then I'm going to go ahead and connect it up. And I'll connect the shoulder slope. I'll connect the armhole depth line, and I'm going to connect the chest line. I'll go ahead to measure up whatever I have from here to here, divided by 2. I'll go in by half an inch. I'll put 1/4 of my bust measurement, round bust divided by 4, and I'll mark it up. Then I'm going to go ahead and connect it up like you can see me doing. I'll measure now from shoulder to the bust point, from shoulder to the under bust, from shoulder to the half length. I'll mark that up, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it up with straight lines. After that, I'll go ahead to put the nipple to nipple divided by 2. Bust span separation, you can call it. Whatever I have, I'll go ahead and mark that up. Then I'm going to go ahead and mark 1 inch or 3/4 inch. If you're that boss, you go down by 1.5 inch. Then I'm going to come here, mark 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch both sides. I'll connect it all the way to that 3/4 inch. I went down from the bust point line. I will put 1/4 of my bust measurement, which I already did. I'll put 1/4 of the waist, round waist divided by 4, and I'm going to mark that up. But don't forget to replace back the 3/4 inch you took for the that allowance. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and connect it up. And after connecting it up, I'm going to go ahead and cut it up. I'm done cutting. I'll just connect the chest line, the under bust line, the length of it. Then I will retrace out the I refold again my pattern. Then from the chest line, I'll go up by at least 2 inch or 1.5 inch. I'll connect that line all the way straight. Then now I'll go out by 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch both sides. Then from the bust point line, I'm going to go up by 1 inch. That's just to create an ease around there, or to avoid any sharp edges around there. Okay, then from the chest line, I'll go down by 1.5 inch. Then I'll go ahead and connect it up like you can see me doing right there, and I'm going to blend it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and decide how deep I want the sweetheart to look. Okay, you can go up from the bust point line by 1 inch. You can connect it all the way from the bust point line. This is what we have at one side of it. I will come here, I'm going to go in by 1 inch. Then from here, I'll go in by half inch. Reconnect it up like this. You can go in by 1 inch at the side, okay? Then this point, we're going to do it up like so. You see the way I'm placing up my French curve, right? You can do it straight, but it is good when you do it up like this. You see what I really have there. Like I say, you can do it straight, right, depending on what you want to achieve. After that, what we're going to do is to go ahead now, and I'm going to come here and go down by 2 inch from the chest line. That's to create the side dart. Okay, go up by half inch, go down by half inch. Then I'm going to connect it up like that. This is going to help us later when we're working on this part. I'm also going to do the same thing. I'm going to go down by 1 inch from the bust point line. I will just go ahead and cut this up. After cutting, what I realized that this other side, the one shoulder, was kind of a big, so I decided again to go in again by half an inch and reconnect that up before cutting it up. All right, we have something like this. Now what we're just going to do is we're going to go ahead now. We'll be folding up the darts. To do so, we have to like open up the side, the downer part of it, and we'll be closing up whatever we have. So I will get my pepper gum. I will rub it to it, stick it to it, then bring it like this and gum that up, making sure it goes in smoothly. You can see the way I'm closing up my that's right to get that cup we are looking for. I'm gonna bring this up here like this. Okay, try as much as possible. First of all, I realized I was supposed to gum this other part before gumming up the sides to make things more easier. I'm gonna bring this up. So you can see the way I'm taking my time doing it up and gumming it up for the cup and the fitness to come out. After that, we have something like this. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share. And I hope to see you some other time. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to follow Anita Handmade Creation. Subscribe on my YouTube channel, Anita Handmade Creation. My TikTok, Anita Handmade Creation. See you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.